From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, good evening, Penn State. I'm your student meteorologist, Ann Rodden. Happy Valley was certainly shining today. The sun was out and it was almost 40 degrees here in early afternoon. We are sitting at 39 right now. The temperature does rise as the evening progresses. But we have some bad news. Today's the last day of sunshine for the next week or so because we are tracking a chance of showers for the next 5 days in a row. So it's going to be a very muggy weekend, but good news is we are warming up and we are seeing temperatures in the 50s and even into the mid 60s these next couple of days. Perfect to stay in, catch up on some homework or some Netflix, whatever you might enjoy. But right now, this just in, the National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory. So our first batch of precip over the weekend will be tomorrow morning from 4 a.m. to 11 a.m. for Center County, all across northeastern Pennsylvania and even up into New York. What this means is that there will be a trace to a 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain and sleet possible. So for what that means for us is that roadways that are untreated, pathways, walkways will be very slick tomorrow morning. So leave very early and to give yourself extra time for that morning commute. But right now we are very quiet on satellite radar all across the northeastern seaboard. But as we head to the west, this is the system moving towards our area that will be bringing us some precip. And we'll stay chilly overnight. We'll drop below freezing. We'll start around 36. We'll get down below freezing overnight. But tomorrow morning, when we're getting that mixture of precipitation, we'll be in the low 30s. And that's why we're going to be seeing some freezing rain and sleet as well. So it's not warm enough for rain just yet, but the rain is behind that precip as the day heats up. We're getting into the 60s tomorrow morning, very close to it, into the upper 50s, 60s in some areas in Pittsburgh right now, as well as Erie. So we do see temperatures start to rise tomorrow after the precip heads out tonight. We'll stay mostly dry, but tomorrow morning the precip heads our way before 9 a.m. We will see the precip start around 5 in the morning and continue on throughout the day. By 11, precip moves to our east, but we are still experiencing some lingering clouds behind that, and we do clear out by late afternoon on Friday. And then our next patch of clouds come in for a nice cloudy weekend, really though. But Saturday is when we're going to be experiencing those high temperatures and then some rain. We are tracking our second batch of rain on Saturday night as well, so we're keeping an eye on that. In terms of temperatures, talking numbers, we're getting down to 30 degrees tonight. We'll stay mostly cloudy with increasing clouds as the system progresses towards our area. But tomorrow is really when we're going to see that mixed precipitation early, and then after that the rain will follow for us tomorrow. But heading on into the rest of the week, I want to show you the temperatures, folks. We do get into the mid 50s for most of the week, but a really nice warm day for Saturday. But the sunshine has definitely moved out of our area for the next couple of days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday even. We are tracking mostly cloudy conditions and a chance of showers for each one of those days. So as I mentioned, it will be another muggy week up ahead, but the good news is you can put away those winter jackets. We'll stay relatively warm. So just be careful when you're walking to work or school tomorrow morning.